Why pros sneak the Sony E 55-210mm OSS for epic reach? Shocking?
Ever felt like your kit lens leaves distant wonders as fuzzy teases, trapping epic moments in almost territory while frustration builds like a mist sunset? That itch for reach without the haul of heavy glass, it's a creative cliffhanger, right? If your telephoto dreams dissolve into digital dust, you're in the zoom zone with us. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar.
Deadlines dash by with sidelined shots. Stress surges from shaky handheld fails. And that burnout bite when wildlife vanishes before your lens can lock. Familiar frenzy? It's the telephoto tango of tease and miss, turning adventure sour. But imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos or camera bag burdens to your trek.
Enter the Sony E 55-210mm f4.5-6.3 OSS lens. Your sly telephoto stretch in a featherlight whisper, clocking 82.5 to 315mm equivalent reach to snag far-flung foxes or field goals without breaking a sweat or your back. With Optical SteadyShot, OSS dialing up to 4 stops of shake-taming savvy, it gives buttery-sharp handheld heroes, while ED and aspherical elements carve out crisp contrasts that sing with color pop and zero fringe fuss. Feel the zoom ring silky twist under your fingers, the quiet AF hum like a secret shared, evoking that heart flip thrill of nailing a bird in burst mode. It's compact at 345 grams, slipping into hikes like a trusted sidekick, with 7-blade bokeh brewing dreamy backgrounds for portraits that pull you in. Here's one way the Sony 55-210mm OSS saved the day for a busy sports parent. Courtside chaos at a weekend tourney. OSS steadied frantic action shots of her kid's slam dunk from afar, turning blur to glory without a tripod tangle. That rush of revelation, the subtle lens flare kissing the frame, pure poetry. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end, because this isn't just extension, it's effortless elevation, framing worlds that were once whispers away.
The real zoom in? Blistering efficiency for all-day hauls without the heft. Pinpoint focus on fleeting feathers or fast breaks with silent linear AF that anticipates your every twist. And performance so punchy it compresses chaos into canvas-worthy calm. Pros praise it. A wildlife expert grinned. ED glass slays fringing. I've snagged backlit birds that'd ghost pricier rigs. Imagine the sensory spark. Petal hood slicing flare like a sly wink. Bokeh melting distractions into velvet hush, stirring that sun-dappled glow on fur or turf. Travel influencers obsess, one confessing hiked 30 countries with it, eagle eyes from cliffs, no bulk regrets. Analysts spotlight its market mischief. Sony's lightweight disruptor, value crushes telephoto norms, hooking APS-C rebels. Real users roar approval. A nature hobbyist beamed. Mountain deer in crystal from trails. Sharpness at f8 rivals the stars. Objection quashed. Variable aperture? Pair it with your Sony's ISO wizardry for low-light winds that laugh at dusk. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? It's cheekily subversive. Why lug luxury when pocketable prowess delivers dreamy depth? Which feature would save your day? OSS steadiness or bokeh bliss? Comment below and let's lens up on legends. Because nothing matches the hypnotic pull of a shot that stretches horizons, begging to be blown up big.
Limited stock sprint. Thousands of shooters have already stretched their horizons with the Sony 55-210mm OSS, ditching distant doubts for dynamic details. If you're battling blurry boundaries or bag overload, this may change your game. one stabilized stretch at a time. Don't wait. Secure yours today and taste the reach revolution. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret OSS tweak inside. Click now for an exclusive focus override hack that sharpens your edge instantly. Don't just watch, jump in and zoom your world today.